Hello! Today I want to talk about a plant that many of you might already know, aloe vera. You can easily recognize aloe vera by its thick, split leaves that have a unique shape, almost like a perfect fan. When new leaves grow, they come out from the center, creating a beautiful pattern. Aloe vera is well known for being used in skincare and cosmetic products because of its soothing properties. But there's so much more to this plant. Did you know that aloe vera is not just a medicinal plant? It's also an excellent air purifier. It helps remove harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, which can be found indoors, especially if you have painted walls, use certain cleaning products, or have items made from synthetic materials. This makes aloe vera a great addition to your home, not just for its beauty and skin benefits, but also for keeping the air clean. Now, if you're thinking about growing aloe vera at home, let me share some tips on how to care for it. Aloe vera is a plant that loves warm weather, ideally between 25 degrees C to 40 degrees C. It can handle the heat, but it doesn't do well in cold or frosty conditions. Since aloe vera is originally a desert plant, it needs soil that drains very well. The roots of aloe vera don't like to sit in water, so it's important to use a soil mix that allows water to pass through easily. A mix of succulent soil with some perlite and sand is perfect for this. In another video, I've talked more about how to prepare this kind of soil, so you can check that out for a step-by-step guide. When it comes to fertilizing, aloe vera is pretty low maintenance. You only need to add some compost once a year, preferably in the spring, and that's all the nutrition it needs to stay healthy. Watering aloe vera can be a bit tricky though. While the plant is drought resistant and doesn't need frequent watering, it still requires some care. A good rule of thumb is to water your aloe vera once a week or every 10 days. But you need to pay attention to your plant's leaves. If the tips of the leaves start to brown, it's likely that the plant isn't getting enough water. On the other hand, if the leaves turn yellowish red and feel soft or mushy, that's a sign you're giving it too much water. There's no one-size-fits-all rule for watering because it depends on your home's conditions, like temperature and sunlight. The best approach is to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. If your aloe vera plant has outgrown its pot and you see roots coming out, it's time to propagate it. When propagating, look for the small pups or baby plants growing around the base. Make sure the pup you choose has a good amount of roots before you plant it in new soil. Some people recommend slicing a leaf and placing it in water to grow roots. But in my experience, this doesn't work well for aloe vera. Because the plant is so full of water already, putting it in water can lead to root rot. Instead, I suggest planting the pup directly into well-draining soil. Remember, water shouldn't stand in the pot. Aloe vera likes its roots to be airy and dry. With the right care, your aloe vera plant will not only thrive, but also bring a bit of the desert's resilience and beauty into your home. Plus, you'll have a natural remedy and air purifier right at your fingertips.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Leafy Life, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a plant care tip.